Good evening, everybody. This is Dr. Ronojit Banerjee. I'm a general practitioner in medicine. Today, we are here to discuss about hypertension, that is high blood pressure, and the ways to prevent it. Basically, each time the heart beats, it pushes blood through the blood vessels, which exerts pressure on the walls of the arteries, which causes blood pressure. Our normal blood pressure is 120 by 80. Systolic blood pressure is 120, which is normal. Diastolic blood pressure is 80, which is normal. Now there are certain reasons, certain conditions in which the blood pressure may become high for a persistently long period of time, which we define as high blood pressure or hypertension. Now hypertension may be caused by certain factors in life, like eating habits which are not healthy, eating much oil in food, fatty foods, salt in food, sodium in food, eating processed foods, smoking, consumption of alcohol. These are the things which causes high blood pressure. Other factors which causes higher blood pressure are age. With increase in age, the blood vessels become stiff, so blood pressure rises. Then there is family history. If there is a strong family history of high blood pressure, then people are certain to develop high blood pressure. Next is sodium. The increase in sodium intake increases high blood pressure. If we are not eating proper amounts of potassium, or if there is not amount of potassium in food, then there will be increase in high blood pressure. Smoking, as I said, increases high blood pressure. It also increases the risk of stroke. High blood pressure can be controlled by certain factors, which are healthy eating habits, like including fresh fruit, vegetables, and low sodium in food. Do not eat processed foods, as most of the sodium is added during processing of foods. Eat potassium, which are found in healthy fruits. Other things that may cause high blood pressure are not regularly exercising. The ways to prevent high blood pressure will be having a healthy diet, as I said, reducing sodium in the diet, quit smoking, regular blood pressure maintaining. Monitoring of blood pressure can be done at home also by patients, because that gives you the blood pressure throughout the day. When you are visiting a physician, a blood pressure is measured only at one point of time. So instead of that, if you can measure blood pressure at home, that will give you a better blood pressure insight. Stress management, one of the main things in life nowadays. Stress management can be done by having regular exercises, by meditating, having healthy foods, listening to soulful music. Adherence, if there is an increase in blood pressure over 140/90, then we term it as hypertension. And this hypertension, if it stays for prolonged time, may cause kidney failure, blindness, stroke in heart as well as in the brain. There are no such signs and symptoms of high blood pressure. Mild symptoms like fatigue, shortness of breath on exertion, heaviness of head, this may be present, but these are non-conclusive or inconclusive. So we need to measure our blood pressure regularly. If there is high blood pressure, our doctor will prescribe medicines to control the blood pressure. We need to adhere to that medicines regularly, and this will keep our heart healthy and our life fit.